Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, welcome to the show. Hey, I just want to tell you that we have our brand new fall winter beanie out right now. So if you guys are into beanies or skull caps or whatever you call them, they're right there. You can check them out, and I'll have a link down below. If you need more sauce, we still doing the sauces. We got everything going on. We got sauces, we got merchandise. I have all my links down below if you want to go shopping. The holidays are coming soon. Yeah. It's good stocking stuffer to put a jar of barbecue sauce in somebody's stocking. All right, let's worry about the show. You guys ready? We did a battle of the barbecue sauces, and it went really well. You guys were going crazy over it. So I went to the store and I looked for more, and I found a few of the brands. So I'm going to run over them really quick. So come on in close so you can see them, and then try and predict right now before the video ends which one's going to win. So far, Jack Daniel's Honey Barbecue was the best. So I'll let you know if any of these are better than that and which one wins today. All right? Okay, you guys know how we do this. So first we got Stubbs. Which version of Stubbs we got? This is the Smoky Mesquite. Then we got Pioneer Woman. That's right. Which one she got? Oh, yeah. Peach Whiskey. They're all different brands. We're going to try them all. And then we got Famous Dave's Barbecue Sauce, Sweet and Zesty. This one's Heinz, which it's the original sweet and thick. All right. And then we got this one by Hack. Or it's Hack's Barbecue Sauce. It's Chipotle Bourbon. So we got bourbon, whiskey, mesquite. We got so many flavors. Sweet and zesty, sweet and, what is this one? Sweet and thick. We're going to try them all. Basically, we try them first, like just with a spoon. Then we take the top three and we put them on chicken. So you guys ready? You guys have picked your winner? You know which one of these is going to win, right? All right, so we're going to get a dish and a spoon and try out each one. The top three is going on chicken. We'll cook it in. All right? All right, so we are going to use the Stubbs first, okay? So the first one is Stubbs Smoky Mesquite. It's a legendary barbecue sauce. A lot of people wrote about Stubbs. It's kind of like a second or third favorite. Everybody likes Sweet Baby Ray's. That's why we tried it in the last video. So let's give this one a try. Comes out kind of like at a medium speed. All right. Give it a try. It's not bad. Let's put that right there. I mean, I'm not leaping for joy or anything, but it's not bad. All right. I'm really impressed with Pioneer Woman. Put it in a jar like this with a wide mouth, and that's how mine is. It's in a bigger wide mouth because it's so thick. That means it's gonna be really thick. Yeah, that's what I thought. Gotta use a spoon. That's how mine is. You gotta use a spoon to spread it around and scoop it out. So let's try hers. Here we go. Oh wow. I like that one. Okay, so Pioneer Woman is really good. So we're gonna kind of keep that up a little bit further. All right, time for, is it Famous Dave's? All right. Put a little bit on the spoon, a little bit on the plate. This comes out probably the fastest so far for thickness wise, but it has a little bit of thickness. All right. It's okay. Caught on the fence. If I had to choose between that and Stubbs to be in the final three or not, I might as well try the rest first. So it's just Famous Dave's just okay. Ready? I know that made a noise. Sorry. That was gross. I'll probably cut that out. No, I'm not going to. Yeah, it was Famous Dave's. All right, here we go. This one is the Heinz Sweet and Thick. Nothing special on Heinz, but you kind of figure that from Heinz and Kraft that it'd be kind of middle of the road barbecue sauce. So that's a sweet and thick. Let's try this Hacks barbecue sauce. Inside another whiskey bottle. And this is the Chipotle Bourbon. I have a feeling this could be good. Let's find a spot I haven't poured on. This is really thick. I don't know why it's in a bourbon bottle. Yeah. All right, here we go. Okay, that Hacks barbecue sauce, with it being Chipotle Bourbon, I can taste the Chipotle. It's got a nice spice to it. I really like it. So we're gonna do Hacks. We're gonna do Pioneer Woman, and we're gonna do Stubbs. Those are the top three. We're gonna have those in the finals, and we're gonna do some chicken right now. Okay, just like last time. Are you ready? So we put Hacks on this barbecue sauce. This was the thickest and the darkest. Then we put Pioneer Woman on the middle two. And that had chunks of peaches in it. I just saw bits of peaches. It's a whiskey peach barbecue. And this was the thinnest, but this is the one a lot of you like is Stubbs. Okay, we just pulled the whole thing out of the oven. Remember, Stubbs, Pioneer Woman, Hacks barbecue sauce. All right, I don't know why I make two of each. I should only do one of each because I only bite out of one anyway. The other one gets wrapped up and put away. So anyway, so let's try the Stubbs first. Just gonna take one bite out of each one and then I'll let you know. Interesting. Usually when you cook with barbecue sauce, the flavors come out more. Stubbs has no flavor. It's kind of bland. It's just basic barbecue sauce. That's it. So now let's try this one. This is the Pioneer Woman Lovely Whiskey Peach. That was good. All right, now let's go with Hacks. This is the Chipotle Bourbon, I think it was. Wow, that's really good too. I'm surprised. The heat's there. The bourbon taste comes out a little. I think it's bourbon, right? Yeah. Chipotle Bourbon. That bourbon flavor comes out more when you cook with it. Okay, so I got barbecue chicken all over the kitchen. I got it in a pan. I got another pan. I got it on a plate. It's all over the place. So I think it's almost lunchtime, so that's a good thing. All right, now let's talk about their Stubbs, Pioneer Woman, Hacks barbecue sauce. Stubbs was not it. I don't know why you like Stubbs, kind of bland to me. I did not like the Stubbs as much as these two. These two were really close. I had to think long and hard. But just by a fraction, this is really good. But this is my winner. Pioneer Woman, it has nothing to do with it. It's Pioneer Woman. The peach whiskey flavor in this is amazing. I'm going to use this on some ribs. I like how it's thick. But this Hacks barbecue sauce deserves an applaud. I would not knock this at all. Is Pioneer Woman better than Jack Daniel's Honey? No. No, not as good as Jack Daniel's Honey. They're still the reigning champion. But Pioneer Woman is number 2. It's really good. It's the winner of today's Part 2 Barbecue Sauce Wars. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.